Good morning, this is Paul from Wild Yachts and I'm getting ready to board a 2006 Nordic Tug 42-foot Flybridge. This is a special boat. In fact, we haven't seen a boat this clean in 10 years. The owners have meticulously maintained this boat. They purchased it a couple of years ago with the sole purpose of doing some traveling, and that they did. In fact, they've gone over 8,000 miles in the past 2 years, and as a result, got the boat ready by replacing most appliances and pumps, and in spite of the fact that it was in perfect condition. I'm entering the salon right now. This is just a little iPhone video, nothing fancy. You can see how spacious the 42 is, and in this particular boat, it's as close to new as you can get. The teak is in exceptional condition. The mechanicals are perfect. In fact, you can see on the counter, we just recently did a survey. The boat came out flawless. There's a listing right next to it of all the updates these owners decided to do. Again, boat didn't need it. They just did it as a P&M basis. You get a large U-shaped galley with the Nordic 42. You have a brand new fridge, freezer, propane stove, 3-burner oven and broiler, a trash compactor. We swing over and you can see there's an ice maker. Nice big settee that converts to a double berth. I'm going to walk up the staircase right now that brings us to the pilot house. We have a reverse facing seat on the starboard side. Very convenient. Nice, large, spacious area for the captain. Strong bow thruster. And as we go, they have a custom captain's chair. Just charming. A large seat area for guests, all redone with brand new Sunbrella fabric. Now the great thing about a Nordic Tug is you have 2 pilot house doors, both open, lots of windows that open, great for air circulation, storage everywhere. And very seagoing boat. As I go down the companionway now, you can see first thing you come to is a little Nav Station. It's a little filing cabinet drawer. It has your electrical and your DC panels. There's another sub panel up in the pilot house. That's just for switches that are relative to underway. Very convenient. You have a generous size mid-stateroom. Settee in there that again converts to a double. As you can see, this boat looks as close to new as you can get. You got a combo washer and dryer. Also brand new on this boat. And the 42 features 2 heads. A guest head. Let's see if we can get in there. Has a really nice shower. Vacuum flush toilets. Big port light. And then we come to the master stateroom. It's hard to tell from the video, but the headroom in this boat is just amazing. You can sit up in the berth and read, regardless of how tall you are. Lots of storage, more storage underneath. More on port and starboard sides. And here's the masthead. And the shower stall. All mechanicals are easily accessed. There's 1,900 hours on this boat. Again, it has been meticulously maintained. It's turnkey ready. There's no doubt in our mind. You just need to put the key in the ignition and off you can go. That's how well it's been maintained and updated. For more information, feel free to call one of the trawler specialists at Wild Yachts, 860-767-2540. Hope to see you soon.